In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the master key in Trust Wallet, a crucial step for ensuring the security and management of your cryptocurrency assets. To start, you'll want to open Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll quickly notice the various features that Trust Wallet offers. You'll see options for sending funds, swapping, and selling alongside your token balances. These features are central to managing your crypto portfolio, but today we are focusing on enabling the master key for added security. Next, you'll want to head over to the settings section of the app. This is where you'll find options to tweak and customize your wallet experience. Look for the option that says Manage Wallets. It's here where you can get a comprehensive view of all the accounts you've set up and have access to in Trust Wallet. Once you're in Manage Wallets, you need to select the specific account you're looking to enable the master key for. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're choosing the correct one. Attention to detail here is key since the master key links directly to your account's security credentials. Click on the account and then look for the option labeled Secret Phrase. This part is critical because the secret phrase acts as the master recovery key for your wallet. It is essentially the most vital piece of information you have for account recovery. After you've tapped on Secret Phrase, you'll be prompted to enter your existing password. This step ensures that the key is revealed only to authorized users, adding another layer of security. Once you have entered your password accurately, the secret phrase will be shown to you. This phrase is a set of words that acts as your master key. Here's a crucial tip. Immediately copy this secret phrase and securely save it in a file on your computer or write it down and store it in a safe place. It's imperative that nobody except you knows this recovery phrase. Think of it as the master key to your digital vault. Neglecting to store your secret phrase properly could lead to a loss of access to your account. Trust Wallet does not have the ability to help you recover a lost secret phrase, which underscores its significance. So there you have it, a straightforward way to enable your master key in Trust Wallet. Taking this step not only enhances the security of your digital assets, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that you can restore your wallet if necessary. Make sure you've saved that secret phrase securely and remember, never share it with anyone else. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there in the crypto world.